Well, if you have wallpaper in your house, you live in the Crystal Lake, Elgin, St. Charles, greater Fox Valley area, and you have wallpaper, you need it off, this video is for you. So let's go to a quick walkthrough on Ricardo, Diego, what they're doing, and we'll come back and talk about all the details of wallpaper. Well, as you can see, here's a picture of painted wallpaper in a kitchen. So Ricardo is here. This is a picture of the dining room wallpaper already there. So Ricardo has been working away. You can hear him in the background picking up the paper, stripping wallpaper that was painted, and then as we move around the room, we can kind of see where he'd already started stripping. So using steamer, combination of steamer as well as diff. We use the gel, plus we use the diff concentrate to kind of get it wet, but the steamer seemed to work the best. And as we get into the living room and dining room, we did above the wainscoting and then in between these little decorative panel moldings in order to get all that wallpaper off. And then once the wallpaper's off, we go through to make sure we do any kind of repairs to the wall. Once the repairs are done, we sand everything. You can see everything's been masked. And then we do a final clean, wiping of the walls, and then we start applying wallpaper primer. So the white is the wallpaper primer. The homeowners are going to do their own painting down the road, but we're making sure that this paper comes off. You can kind of see a couple different colors ahead of time, but that's what we had. All right, so you kind of saw what the guys are doing and what they have done already. So this video is actually edited because we did the work, and the video we did didn't really share enough information, so I had to come back and I didn't have to. I wanted to come back and do an edit on it. So when we bid this job, it was for 3 rooms, stripping wallpaper, patching the walls, and then priming. So we bid it for our crew to be out there for about 25 hours. And our estimates are pretty clear that estimates are an hourly based type of a service. We don't know if it's going to come off, how it's going to come off, if there's going to be damage, not going to be damage. It's just a lot of unknowns. So this project we did for 25. Ricardo, Diego were there. They started on Thursday. Friday afternoon they were done, which is our 25 hours, but we never got to the kitchen. So as we explained when we started with the customer, you know, any hours are extra. So they agreed to keep going, so they did. So they got in there, finished. So we finished in 3 days. So 2 guys were there, and it'd be about 52 hours worth of work. And so that's what we billed for. So I just want to make sure we're clarifying in every way possible that when we are stripping wallpaper, if there's 2 people there, it's the hours that those 2 people are spending to strip wallpaper. It's not just one person. So if there's 2 people there for 8 hours, it's 16 hours of labor. So I just want to make sure that clarification is abundantly clear. We've reworked part of our estimates to make sure that that says that also, but we just want to make sure, as much as I thought we were as transparent as possible, you know, gaps happen and misunderstandings happen. So there's the update for wallpaper stripping. If you have wallpaper that you need removal, commercial, residential, what have you, let us know. We can help. Commercial wallpaper stripping, different animal. We can do a video on that, but for residential, it's kind of what it is. Again, if you got questions, let us know. Love to see if we can help. You guys have a great day and God bless.